The Awnex Fabrication Services division serves many diverse industries. With over 30 years of manufacturing experience, an extensive arsenal of CNC equipment, skilled welders, and fabricators, our team can handle a wide range of projects, from prototyping to large volume production runs. We can work with your team to optimize manufacturing efficiency, transforming raw materials, aluminum, steel, and stainless steel into finished products. Services include, but not limited to, laser cutting. Our 3,000-watt fiber laser cutting machine has a 5 by 10 feet flat sheet material capacity, up to 3/4 inch thick steel, and 3/8 thick aluminum. Tube cutting, up to 8 inches in diameter in various shapes. Welding. Our 3-cell robotic welding system can be configured to tackle many different steel and aluminum projects. Sheet metal. The sheet metal department has a shearing capacity up to 10 feet wide, 1/8 inch thick aluminum, and 14 gauge steel. 10-foot folder machine, and a 10-foot 100-ton press brake. Machining. The machining center has a non-ferrous metal capacity of 16 inches wide by 30 feet long, with many tooling options. Powder coating is available at our in-house powder coating facility. We do not offer this as a standalone service. Visit awnexinc.com/fabrication-services for more details and to submit your quote requests.